Here's some big news coming in. Malegaon blast twist gets only bigger after witnesses' explosive claims. UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath now breaks his silence there. Lashing out at the Congress, Yogi Adityanath demands an apology from the party for falsely framing BJP and RSS workers in the blast. Remember, this comes a day after blast witness in the Mumbai court has accused Maharashtra ATS of torturing him only so that he names Yogi and 5 other RSS members in the case. This is a big development that India Today is currently tracking. Here is Malegaon blast twist only getting bigger now with UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath now breaking his silence, lashing out at the Congress, saying that Congress must apologize for trying to falsely frame BJP and the RSS workers in the Malegaon blast case.
कांग्रेस ने इस देश के अंदर सर्वाधिक समय तक शासन किया, लेकिन शासन किस रूप में कर रही थी? आज आपने महाराष्ट्र एटीएस का एक बयान देखा होगा। उस समय कैसे भारतीय जनता पार्टी के कार्यकर्ताओं को, नेताओं को, राष्ट्रीय स्वयंसेवक संघ के नेताओं को, हिंदू नेताओं को कैसे लोग झूठे मुकदमों में फंसाने का कार्य कर रहे थे। आपने मालेगांव विस्फोट के मामले में देखा होगा। कांग्रेस की शरारत देश के खिलाफ एक अपराध है और कांग्रेस के लोगों को इसके लिए माफी मांगनी चाहिए देश की जनता से। आतंकवादियों को प्रेरित और पोषित करने वाली ये कांग्रेस देश के साथ कैसे खिलवाड़ कर रही है, ये किसी से छुपा हुआ नहीं है। पहले जब सत्ता में थे तब उन आतंकियों को प्रेरित और प्रोत्साहित करते थे और हिंदू संगठनों पर झूठे मुकदमे दर्ज करते थे, और आज जब सत्ता के बाहर हैं तो हर उस कार्य का विरोध करते हैं जो कार्य जनता के हित के लिए हो।
Well, we have Abhishek Mishra joining us from Lucknow. Abhishek, 14 years later, after the Malegaon blast, we see that it's now become a poll debate yet again with Yogi Adityanath on a platform in Uttar Pradesh as he speaks to a large crowd, condemns the Congress who allegedly tried to implicate or frame some of the BJP and RSS leaders. This comes just a day after one of the witnesses in the Malegaon blast case has come forward, submitted in court that the Maharashtra ATS tortured him only so that he must name Yogi Adityanath, a few of the other BJP and RSS leaders in the Malegaon blast case. What more has Yogi said on that platform?
Well, absolutely, Nabila. And this particular issue will once again be heard before the elections, and how PM Yogi Adityanath was present in Farrukhabad for this event where he was inaugurating some of the schemes of 196 crores, lashed out at the Congress, clearly saying that it has been done with a purpose. And he also mentioned that the Congress party should...
All right, I'm going to try and patch Abhishek Mishra there, but here you have Yogi Adityanath outrightly attacking the Congress for trying to allegedly frame RSS and BJP workers in the Malegaon blast case. His statement comes just a day after one of the witnesses submitted in court that he was tortured by the Maharashtra ATS for not naming RSS and BJP leaders. In fact, he claims that he was forced by the ATS to implicate Yogi Adityanath and some of the other BJP and RSS leaders, which he refused to do, and therefore he was tortured, his family was tortured. This is what the witness says. Abhishek, if you can take us through exactly what Yogi has said on that platform.
Well, as I was telling you, that Yogi Adityanath, who was today present in Farrukhabad for an inauguration event where he gave away 196 crore rupees project, he specifically said that Malegaon blast, and now it has come out through the witness himself, that he was pressurized, tortured to say the name of RSS leaders and of Yogi Adityanath as well. And this has come just before the elections, and the BJP leaders, they are also very vocal about it. They are saying it is all because of the UPA government, and that's exactly as CM Yogi Adityanath has also said on that platform. He said that the Congress should apologize to the people for, misleading them and the way they have been, exploiting the resources. And particularly this incident, it clearly gives us an indication that how the BJP leaders, in future as well are going to talk about it. CM Yogi Adityanath one-on-one, targeted the opposition, saying that they have been working in Uttar Pradesh to affect the situation of law and order. We have the Samajwadi Party, but this time Congress was exactly on his radar directly for this particular incident,
Right.
where now it has come out where CM Adityanath has accused the Congress Party for all this. Yes.
Well, stay with us, Abhishek. AIMIM Chief Asaduddin Owaisi, meanwhile, has said that even if all Malegaon witnesses turn hostile, does it mean the case is over, despite the vehicle used for that blast was being registered in the name of Sadhvi Pragya?